By the end of the video, we'll know ultimate chest workout at home for insane muscular definition. Hello, fitness enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a comprehensive home chest workout that'll give you the insane muscle definition you desire. Remember, building muscle is a marathon, not a sprint. So let's get started. First, we're going to work on our push-ups. Start with the standard push-up and progress to more advanced variations like plyometric push-ups and diamond push-ups. For maximum results, aim for 3 sets of 10 reps per variation. Next, let's move on to the good old dumbbell chest press. Start with light weights and gradually increase as you progress. Perform 3 sets of 10 reps for each variation. The variations include flat, incline and decline chest presses. This exercise will target your upper pecs and triceps for that enhanced muscle definition. Moving on, we have the cable crossover exercise. This is one of the most effective exercises for building your lower pecs and overall chest strength. Aim for 3 sets of 10 reps for each variation, including close grip cable crossover and wide grip cable crossover. Finally, let's wrap up with some medicine ball push-ups or bench presses at an angle close to the floor or wall for a final blast to your upper pecs. Do 2 sets of 10 reps for each variation, including medicine ball push-ups or bench presses at an angle close to the floor or wall. And there you have it. This ultimate chest workout at home will help you achieve that impressive muscle definition you've been dreaming of in no time. Remember to stay hydrated throughout your workout and reward yourself with a healthy post-workout snack for all your hard work. Stay committed to your fitness journey and see the results progress weekly. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fitness tips and tricks. Until next time, folks.